What if I told you that one of the world's most profitable stock exchanges isn't in New York, not in London, not in Hong Kong, but in Mumbai, India? Meet the National Stock Exchange of India, or the NSE. It's not just rising, it's redefining global finance. But let's talk about numbers. NSE's market capitalization stands at around $64 billion. Well, that's fifth largest globally with regard to exchanges. Now let's compare that. The Nasdaq, which is home to Apple, Microsoft, as well as Amazon, that comes in at around $47 billion. Deutsche Börse in Germany, that's valued at around $62 billion. While Coinbase Global is just slightly ahead of the NSE. Now NSE is not just competing, it's catching up fast. But market cap is just one part of the story. Let's talk profitability then, where NSE really shines. In the past year, it posted $1.35 billion in net income. That's more than the Nasdaq, which reported around $1.11 billion. The London Stock Exchange around $1.15 billion. And remember, these are legacy institutions over a century old. Now let's zoom out. Let's look at the last 4 years. NSE's net profit surged from around $489 million to $1.35 billion. That's more than doubling its profits in a short duration. Let's compare that with the global leader, CME Group. Yes, its profits are far bigger at around $3.5 billion, but its growth over the same 4 years is just around 67%. Solid, yes, but far less dynamic than the NSE. So what's driving this? A rapidly growing investor base in India, strong digital and tech infrastructure, and a commanding lead in the derivatives trading. And NSE isn't alone. India's financial markets are lighting up across the board. The Bombay Stock Exchange hit a record net profit of around $154 million, while the MCX came in with around $66 million in the past year. Together, they signal a broader trend. India's stock exchanges are entering a golden era. Meanwhile, in the West, exchanges like ICE and CME, they remain dominant, but their growth curves appear to be maturing a little bit. India, on the other hand, is scaling rapidly, powered by rising domestic participation, digital transformation, and growing global investor interest. So no, NSE may not be the world's largest exchange, but it's quickly becoming one of the most important. So next time you think of stock exchanges, don't just think of Wall Street or the City of London. Think Mumbai, because the future of global finance might be happening right here in India.